Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style curd curry recipe, very popular in Kerala. This unique recipe is so delicious and healthy. It's usually served along with rice. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 2 cups of curd. Also add 2 cups of water. Mix it well. Keep it aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds to it. Wait until it splutter. Then add half teaspoon fenugreek seeds to it. Wait until it splutter. Add 2 dry red chilli and mix it for 5 to 6 seconds. Add 2 inch size ginger, 3 garlic cloves, 2 green chilli to it and mix it well for 10 seconds. Now add 10 shallots to it. Fry it on medium flame. Flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Fry until shallots change color to light golden color. Keep it low flame and add half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix it well. Then add curd to it. And stir it continuously for 1 to 2 minutes. Switch off the flame. Add 2 teaspoons salt and stir it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our Kerala style curd curry recipe is prepared very well. This recipe is very tasty when it is served along with rice.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.